Hey, what are you guys doing?
We are selecting an Omron relay for our next project.
With the magic 8-ball?
Yeah, it's super simple. You just ask the magic 8-ball if a relay is going to work for your application, and it tells you. It's magic.
I'm sure it is, but you know there's a better way to select an Omron relay, right?
Yeah, we know, but we got tired of playing darts.
AJ always wins.
Look, you might be able to select an axial fan like this, but you can't choose a relay based on random chance.
Omron sells axial fans?
That's right. Omron sells axial fans, but that's not important right now. Let's talk about the best way to select an Omron relay. My name is Matt Moore, and I'm one of the product managers for Omron's component products. Today, I'd like to go over the process of selecting the right relay for your application. I know what you're thinking. Omron has one of the widest selections of relays in the industry with more than 40 different products, and that's not even counting the magnetic contactors. How can I possibly select a relay?
Omron sells contactors?
That's right, we do. And fortunately for you, Omron has created a powerful tool to help you select the right relay for your application. We call it the Component Selection Guide. You can find the Omron Component Selection Guide on our Industrial Control Panel webpage. Navigating to this page is relatively simple. From the Omron Automation homepage, located at automation.omron.com, hover your mouse over the Products button on the navigation bar at the top of the screen. From here, click on the Industrial Control Panel Products link. Once you arrive at the Industrial Control Panel homepage, you'll find a link to our Component Selection Guide in the middle of the page. The Component Selection Guide is a great tool for getting a high-level overview of our entire components portfolio. I recommend keeping a copy of this document on your PC for easy access. You will find our mechanical and solid-state relays on pages 5 and 11 respectively. Let's take a quick look at how the Component Selection Guide can assist you with selecting a relay. Scrolling down to our mechanical relays on page 5, you can see the decision tree that helps simplify selection with basic criteria. Are you looking for an interfacing relay, a general purpose power relay, or perhaps a higher powered relay? The categories on our decision tree help narrow your search so you can identify the best product for your application. After you narrow down to the category of relay you're looking for, you can filter down further by the maximum current supported. After that, you're able to select a specific product series. The product images are also links to the product webpage for each series. For example, we'll follow the link to the G2RS main page. As you can see, when you use the Component Selection Guide, the process of selecting a relay is a streamlined activity. When you're armed with the right tools, selecting an Omron relay becomes a simple process. If you have any further questions about our relays, please check out more information at automation.omron.com. Thank you very much for joining us today, and have a great day.